Wind stirs the dust around me. My heart descends into valleys deep. Trials rise like storming waters. Yet Jesus, your gaze, a burning lantern, reaches into the depths of my soul. If you place me in the furnace, it is mercy from your hand. I cannot see my hidden heart, but you behold what lies within, the traces of silver and gold. If you had not called me precious, no trials would touch my life. For life must be refined, stripped of every lesser thing, till only what you love remains. Hold me with an unfailing hand. Keep your love surrounding me. Through every sin of former days, lead me out from who I was. Let your shaping never cease, until my being rests in you. Trials are not your abandonment, they are your carving of my soul. Gentle flames school my will, fiercer fires purge my nature. When I fall, your hand upholds me. When I weep, your voice consoles me. Even in the dark, you walk beside me. Jesus, I bow before you, the furnace you set for my life. Step by step it forms my path. Sometimes light rains fall softly, sometimes the blaze roars high, yet still I lift my cry. Refine me like purest gold, that I may behold your face. If trials deep and draw nearer still, roads grow dangerous, shine brighter still. Walk with me through every cut and shear away the remnants of my old self. Make my heart align with yours. Lead me to the end of earthly years, carry me through 10,000 trials, and when the final morning rises, wind still, fire quiet, spirit cleanse, I will lift my eyes to you and behold your glory fade.